Hello everyone, my name is Austin from Marin Acura, and today I'll be showing you guys a tutorial on how to use the brake hold function in your 2017 Honda Civic Si. So, in order to access this feature, we must first go to the shifter, and once we do, what we're gonna do is click on the brake hold. But make sure before you do that, actually, you have to put on your seatbelt first. So seatbelt should be on first, safety first. And once you do, click on that brake hold. Let me focus on the camera. And as you can see right there, it indicates that the brake hold function is on. So you might be wondering, what is the brake hold function? So the brake hold function is, for example, you are in the middle of an intersection and you are stopped all the way. You have the brakes depressed all the way. What the brake hold function will do is that the brakes will stay pressed and you could just let it off and you don't have to put your foot in it. And it will just stay like that until you start moving again, and then of course it will turn off and then you can go along your way. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this tutorial, you guys. My name is Austin from Marin Acura, and thank you guys for watching.